Good morning.
I'm going to translate for my father.
Your dad has a speeding violation on Chalkstone Avenue, and it's a school zone, and he was caught on camera.
In the very beginning, we see a daughter step forward and explain that she'll translate for her father. Right away, the case takes an emotional turn. This isn't just a speeding ticket, it's a family moment inside the courtroom. The judge mentions it's a school zone violation caught on camera. And instantly, the tension rises. School zone tickets are serious. But the big question is, will the judge show mercy?
Yeah, he told me that while he's usually very cautious when he goes through school zones, but he was giving a ride to a neighbor of him, an elderly woman, and she was talking a lot, so he got...
Now we hear the daughter explain what really happened. Her father was driving an elderly neighbor and she was talking non-stop, which distracted him. This is such a relatable moment. Haven't we all been distracted by a chatty passenger at least once? But here's a twist. Even a small distraction can lead to a school zone violation. Do you think that excuse is valid or just convenient?
Got distracted and didn't see the sign. But he's usually very cautious, and his first time is he's 62 years old that he's in front of a judge. He would like to ask for forgiveness.
Where's your dad from?
He's from the Dominican Republic.
Mm-hmm. And how about you? Were you born here?
She keeps defending her father, saying he's usually very cautious and this is his first time ever in front of a judge. At 62 years old. That's a major detail. A clean record for decades shows responsibility. The emotional weight here is clear. A father embarrassed, a daughter stepping up to protect him. Would you go this far to defend your parent in court?
No, I was born in the Dominican Republic.
Okay. What do you do?
I'm a business owner.
Well, you're very articulate, and you're making a great presentation on behalf of your dad.
Thanks.
Your dad missed by 1 mile, not being...
When the judge asks where he's from, she proudly says he's from the Dominican Republic, and she was born there too. The judge then shifts the energy, complimenting her for being articulate, calm, and respectful. It's a small moment, but powerful. Sometimes the way you present your case matters just as much as the facts.
in charge. So based on his good driving record, I'm going to give him a break.
Thank you.
Based on your explanation.
Thank you.
You tell your father that you made such a strong argument.
And here comes a surprise. The father missed being charged by just 1 mile per hour. It was literally the smallest difference between guilty and dismissed. The judge looks at his clean record and decides to give him a break. This is a huge emotional swing from fear to relief in seconds. Be honest, if you were the judge, would you let him go?
That the judge could not resist your argument that you won your case and he's free, doesn't have to pay anything.
Thank you, I would tell him.
And then maybe he'll take you to breakfast.
Then the judge turns to the daughter and tells her something heartwarming. Her argument was so strong that he could not resist it. Imagine that, a daughter winning her father's case with respect, clarity, and sincerity. This is the kind of moment that reminds us how much influence a calm voice can have in a courtroom. The judge officially dismisses everything. No fines, no fees, no penalties. The father is completely free. And then the judge jokingly adds that she should tell her father to take her to breakfast. A stressful case ends with laughter. A perfect courtroom moment.
You don't know.
Sure.
Professional overview. This case highlights how school zone violations are treated seriously, but also how a clean record, honesty, and a respectful explanation can influence a judge's decision. The father was technically over the limit by only 1 mile per hour, and with no history of violations, the judge exercised discretion and dismissed the charge. It shows the importance of being cautious in school zones, but also the power of genuine communication. Call to action. If you enjoy this breakdown of real courtroom drama, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more compelling legal moments. And let me know in the comments, did the judge make the right call? What would you have done in this situation?